Hi Talia.
Hi.
You just had a destiny reading in the Christ Alignment tent. How did it go? Like, you had an amazing encounter apparently.
Yeah, it was really good. I was led to my sacred space and I
Yes.
identified that really quickly, and
Yep.
then I saw a red present with golden snowflakes on it, with
Wow.
red chiffon ribbon with
Wow.
the golden
Come
snowflakes.
on. It's amazing.
And inside was a big, the gift was a big black obsidian, like half sphere that had a holding like this.
Yes.
And
Like a hand holding.
it's the shape of it like
Yep,
a
yep.
wide crescent,
Yep.
like this. And
Yep.
the message that came through was that I'm protected within my holding, and that I will be looked after when I'm holding people. So
Come on.
it was just amazing. Yeah, really special.
It's very emotional.
Yeah, it was just really beautiful.
And did Vivian, was she able to like connect you to the Christ Spirit or to deeper spirituality?
Yeah, definitely. I felt like tingling down here.
Oh wow.
And warmth in my hands,
Yep,
and a couple of times like little zaps in my hands.
Yep.
So that was
Amazing.
really beautiful.
eh?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jane.